Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to withdraw Sunwaves token. So let's get started. When you want to withdraw token, guys, you're ready to move the guide. You will work through step by step. So guys, open your wallet and hold your Sunwave token, and this could be software wallet or hardware wallet that's supported in Sunwave token, and select token, ensure viewing correct token for withdraw, and click send button and this will start to process transferring your token, and input the recipient address where you want to send your token and double check the address to avoid any mistakes. Then enter the fund of Sunwaves token and you wish to withdraw. Review the detail of your withdrawal, and according to my transaction fees, confirm the transaction by clicking to confirm, and need to enter verification password to depending your wallet security and setting. After that you can track the state, and this is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget subscribe, share this video for more content.